Nag-iipon ka, nag-iinvest ka, pero bakit parang ang bagal pa rin ng progress mo? Sometimes, it's not just about how much you're saving or investing. May mga hidden factors na madalas nating nakakalimutan pero super crucial sa pagbuo ng tunay na wealth. First up, spending habits. Lahat tayo may guilty pleasures. Coffee here, shopping there, paminsan yung mga impulse buys na hindi pinag-iisipan. If you don't pay attention kung paano ka gumastos, you could be leaking money that could have gone to your savings or investments. So before you swipe that card, ask mo muna sarili mo, is this really adding value to my life or is it just a temporary happiness? Next, we have lifestyle creep. Kapag may raise or promotion, may urge to level up, 'di ba? Bagong sasakyan, mas malaking tirahan, latest gadgets. Your wealth building can be slowed down by the lifestyle you choose as your income increases. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle, baka dapat yung pag-upgrade ng savings and investments natin ang ginugol natin. Pero minsan, upgrading your lifestyle isn't always a bad thing, especially if it helps you grow or earn more. Minsan kasi, you're telling the world and yourself that you're leveling up. Like moving closer to work para makasave ka ng oras, investing in gadgets para mabilis, walang delay, or even dressing better to attract better opportunities. The key here is intentional spending. Hindi lang basta upgrade kasi afford na. Upgrade with purpose para hindi lang gastos, kundi investment na din. Your circle of friends. Guys, this is a big one. Yung financial mindset natin, it's strongly influenced by the people we hang out with. Kung yung circle mo puno ng tao na mahilig mag-spend without thinking about the future, mataas yung chance na ikaw maimpluwensyahan ka din. Hanap ka ng mga friends who talk about goals, not just gastos. Yung mga tipong, paano tayo yayaman instead na saan tayo this weekend? Next, risk tolerance. Yes, lahat ng investments may risk, pero there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Yung iba, okay sila with risky investments like stocks, pero yung iba medyo conservative, so mga bonds sila, ganon. Ang importante dito is to understand your own risk tolerance. Huwag kang matakot mag-take ng risk, pero huwag ka din pumasok sa something na hindi mo kayang tanggapin if ever mag-fail. Last but not the least, insurance. You see, yung insurance, it's often overlooked by the people who are building their wealth. Pero ang totoo, if something happens and we don't have protection, yung pinaghirapan natin pwedeng ma-derail. Whether it's life insurance or health insurance, having this in place gives you peace of mind that your family and your assets are protected no matter what. Huwag nating iskip to sa part ng financial journey natin. If you're serious about securing your future, take a step back, reflect, and pag-isipan itong 5 factors na to.